Well, I got to make this video because a lot of people don't know that Nibiru is not the name of one singular ship. Nibiru is a whole entire space fleet with thousands of spaceships. And then our mothership Nibiru, which means planet of the crossing, that's the one that y'all are familiar with. We have cylinder-shaped spacecrafts that are about 1 to 3 miles in length. It was talked about by Imam Isa in his holy tablets. And there's been a lot of sightings of these crafts recently that Malachi talked about years ago. We also have crown-shaped spaceships called Shams. And actually, these are going to be the ships that are coming down to pick up the 144,000 and the high vibrational Anubians, Anu's beings, Nubians, new buns, melanated black people that are willing to change their ways and accept the green light. Do not confuse this with the rapture event that the Apostle Paul had in a vision. That's not a real rapture. The rapture comes from raptor, reptilian, which is an event in which all these reptilians that have created religion, that being Christianity, Islam, and Judaism, all those people that have brainwashed religious people are coming down to pick up all those religious people. And they're going to be shapeshifters that are going to abduct you, bring you to a laboratory, and you're going to get experimented on and eaten. Because in the next few years, there's going to be a whole bunch of extraterrestrial species coming down to interfere with our planet because we've been on quarantine. And all the extraterrestrials that have came to our planet as of right now have snuck here and disobeyed the commands of Anu. But anyway, Nibiru, the mothership, which means planet of the crossing, can travel at the speed of light, which is 186,272 miles. And as a fun fact, all crafts on the Nibiru space fleet can travel at this speed. And also the mothership Nibiru has a diameter of 63,408 miles. All crafts on Nibiru have 4 differentiated atmospheres. The command for land is Ta, the command for water is Mu, the command for air is Nefu, and the command for fire is Set. To activate all these controls, you just say Ta, Mu, Nefu, Set on the spaceship. Nibiru also has 4 differentiated magnetic fields that gives Nibiru the ability to be magnetized by another object. They can operate magnetism like a recorder or a communicator. They can relate to the magnetic poles of a planet such as a magnetic compass bearing. And they have the unusual power ability to attract a gravitational form of magnetism from the rolling vortex of any planet at a 30-degree angle. Nibiru also has solar panels smaller than a pin set that can generate millions of megawatts of electricity. And these solar panels harvest electricity from the photonic energy of the suns that they pass by. Nibiru is also capable of holographic interdimensional transport, which means they can clone themselves holographically to appear at multiple different places at one time, making it virtually impossible to pinpoint the original projection. Nibiru is also capable of traveling distance point to point, interdimensionally, and can go through time, future or past, without interfering with the principle of the now, because they vibrate faster than the speed of light, which gives you the ability to time travel. They can also change sizes at will. I feel like